Lord Wellesley and Subsidiary Alliance. With the arrival of Lord Wellesley as the Governor General of India, the expansion of the British Empire became easy because by this time the powerful states of Marathas and Mysore had become weak. So due to this reason, the expansion of British Empire in India became easy. Lord Wellesley followed three policies to expand the British Empire. They were subsidiary alliance, waging war against new state, and administration of the states directly which were under the control of British. So these are the three policies followed by Lord Wellesley to expand the British Empire in India. Subsidiary alliance. Lord Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance policy in 1798 in order to bring Indian states under control. Then, what is subsidiary alliance? Basically, it was a military protection agreement between the English East India Company and the Indian states. So this policy was brought up by Lord Wellesley in 1798 in order to bring Indian states under company control. Subsidiary alliance policy had certain conditions which were against the Indian kings and in favor of the British. So it is clear that all the conditions in subsidiary alliance, they were against the Indian kings and in favor of the British. The conditions of this policy helped the British to acquire Indian territories. Then what are the conditions of subsidiary alliance policy? Let us study. This policy had 6 conditions. Then, conditions of subsidiary alliance system. Condition number 1, the Indian king had to keep the British army in his kingdom. Condition number 2, the concerned state had to bear the expenses of the army. And condition number 3, the king had to have a British resident in his court. Condition number 4. The king could not appoint any other European without the permission of the British. Condition number 5. The permission of the Governor General was mandatory to enter any agreement or pact with any Indian government. Condition number 6. In return of all the services, the company would offer protection to the state from any internal or external aggression. So these were the 6 conditions. So through this policy, the maintenance of the army became easy for the British, while Indian states economically suffered. And Hyderabad was the first state to enter this policy. Later, Mysore, Audh, Tanjavur, Maratha, Pune, Berar, Gwalior, and other states were entered this agreement. So in this map you can see the places, the Indian states